and welcome to Z Business and welcome to a super cool, fun-filled episode of The Big Idea. आज हमारे साथ एक खास मेहमान मिस्टर अमरजीत बख्शी जो उनके भाई के साथ एक $1 billion empire built किया. Today Central Park has many verticals ranging from automotive, infrastructure, hospitality, and now as we stand here in the spectacular Central Park West, let's catch up with Mr. Amarjeet Bakshi. Hello, Amarjeet. Great to have you on The Big Idea.
Thank you.
Really a pleasure, Amarjeet.
Thank you very
I
much.
have known you over the years. I have to say I'm privileged and I've seen the success, the way you've risen with great honesty, integrity, and I thank you for being on The Big Idea.
I am embarrassed.
Truly, thank
Okay.
you. Amarjeet, हमारे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए कैसे खड़े हुए? How did Central Park rise?
It's not only Central Park. It is, let me tell you the complete philosophy behind it. It all begins with very unwritten debts on my mind,
Okay.
because I did my engineering from IIT Delhi.
IIT
I
Delhi.
was the first batch, and I could guess at that time what all is being spent on us compared to what all we are paying there. We are paying nothing, and what all was being spent on us was huge amount, and this had to be paid back, and therefore I come from a very middle class background. My father was a company executive, and we didn't have money, and
you did it, Amarjeet. This is
then
what
I
it's
started
about.
with a job, and that job was selling construction equipment, I being a civil engineer. And after working there for about 3 years, I decided to join my younger brother together to start some sort of a construction work. Fortunately,
You're so modest. You're saying construction work, और आज देखो, my God.
it's not.
यही तो है the big idea.
But the whole point was from the day one. From the day one, we never believed in exchanging corruption, give and take, nothing. It was a bit of a difficult journey, but I will say no. It was more easy than difficult, because once we took a stand, thereafter people started cooperating with us. And
The point of taking the stand, उस वक्त it must have been tough. Because
I
you're going
think
against the
it
flow of
came very
Indian.
naturally with me.
Achha,
It came very
interesting.
naturally with me.
Okay.
But I didn't know I was doing something which was not liked by a few. But there are many people who fell in line, and also I was very fearless even in college days.
I like
I
that.
didn't.
Fearless.
mm,
So that's the advice you can give my youngsters who watch my show. Fearless.
I was fearless in the sense that it didn't bother me what will happen if I take a stand or something like this. We started with the first project which was 1,73,000. I'm sorry, 1,73,000 rupees first work.
Wow.
Finished into 3 months. Then
कितने
we
साल
went-
पहले था अमरजीत?
This was 1973. That is the time. And,
और आपको याद भी है
हाँ,
1
हाँ,
lakh.
बिल्कुल. Then we moved to another project which was abandoned by quite a few contractors. Everybody was against it.
But आपने
we do
क्यों
that.
लिया वो project?
इसलिए I didn't find any logic. Why did people abandon?
Fearlessness, great logic.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Then we came to build the colony for All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which also gave us confidence and a good name.
Wow.
At that point of time, we had about 2 to 3 lakh rupees reserve. I mean, I like to begin like this, that when we started, me and my younger brother, both we borrowed 10,000 rupees each
From where?
from Punjab and Sindh Bank. So we had 20,000
I'm
rupees
getting
our city.
chills. My God.
And no, it's okay. Those were the days when 20,000 rupees was some amount. And it is not such a small amount. It was an amount.
It is in the bank, yeah. But the bank gave you the loan.
Bank gave because my
Ah,
father was connected. He helped us.
He helped you.
And he gave his personal guarantee, and we got the loan. We didn't have any property to give. We didn't have any other asset to give. But good, it started. And
You feel you owe a lot of it to your father?
I will say I owe a lot of it to my country.
Beautiful.
Country, really. That is, they gave me opportunities. They gave me everything. Then this experience came into play of construction equipment.
Okay.
Then I fabricated hot mix plants and paver finisher, and took the first contract of road construction in New Delhi. New Delhi being very prestigious, we were the lowest. They will not give us because we did this thing, and those were the days. Those were the days when.
First defining milestone, would you say, getting that?
Yes,
Yeah.
that was the start of the arch.
Wow.
That was the first turning point when we came into big league.
Okay.
They got contracts with other company, which was a monopoly.
Yeah.
They quoted much higher than us, and finally we got the contract, and
Right,
also we got that other part of the contract. If the other company doesn't take us a lesser rate, that contract also should be given to us. Wonderful that somehow we finished. Lot of struggle.
That's what I want to ask.
Lots of struggle, because machines did not work. They were all self-fabricated, and they used to talk in those days that ये मशीनें तो मोतिया खान की बनी हुई हैं, तो बनी भी मोतिया खान के एक वर्कशॉप में ही थी.
At that point, Amarjeet, I don't mean to interrupt, what motivated you? What propelled you to just stay literally in the zone and say, आगे ही सोचना चाहिए?
बात वो ये थी कि एक तो कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं थी, दूसरी बात ये थी कि
Very good point.
दूसरी बात ये थी कि लूज तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, गेन ही करना है जो करना है. लगे रहो. ओवरहेड्स कोई थे ही नहीं. ओवरहेड्स बिल्कुल ही नहीं थे. सारा ही काम ही करना था. कहीं सोना है, कहीं खाना है, और कोई उस तरह की बात नहीं थी. कोई स्वाय वर्क के और कुछ समझ भी नहीं थी. वैसे भी IIT के बैकग्राउंड में ये हो जाता है that person becomes, in a very natural manner, becomes a very hard-working person. There is so much of responsibility. There is so much of.
You just take it on. That's the ethos of an IIT or
I will
the Ivy
say
League colleges.
different when I look at my other friends. I will not say that.
Okay,
But to put in hard work, it becomes your
DNA?
DNA.
Beautiful. On that note, I have to take a little break, Amarjeet, but I would like to continue our conversation. Folks, break time. Please don't go away. In conversations with Mr. Amarjeet Bakshi, founder of the Central Park conglomerate. Back again in conversations with Mr. Amarjeet Bakshi, along with his brother, has founded the billion-dollar empire many times over, Central Park. Amarjeet, aap bata rahe the, of course, there's no substitute for hard work. But after you were propelled into the big league, आपने बहुत सारे verticals build किया है. You're involved with hospitality, you're involved with real estate, you're involved with infrastructure and automotive industry. तो हमारे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए the dream vision behind each vertical. कैसे हुआ?
You know, when we got into infrastructure, at that time there are not enough works. In fact, we had to wait for contracts. The first contract we did was Khajuraho, which was abandoned by two very large companies.
Wow.
It was a challenge, and that's how we got, because we were not registered. They went out of the way, and with good references they gave us the contract. I will not say that it was easy, because it was at a remote place, but somehow we finished. And after that, for the airports, there was no looking back. We did 42 airports. And I must give credit to my younger brother, who was absolutely on the ground, and he delivered everything on time till today.
Airports in India.
Plus many highways and many other things. But the record, the most extraordinary record, is that while all infrastructure projects get delayed, in our history so far, we have not delayed a project even by a day.
This is the USP, you would say. Would you say
no,
this is
but
the
it is plus when I started my work in NDMC, they were not prepared to give us the work. Then we took a challenge. We said that we will give you 5 years guarantee.
Okay.
While I was going, I said, no, not 5 years guarantee, I'll give you 5 years free maintenance. So you'll be surprised, you'll be surprised with this clause. We have not spent a rupee on the projects, because they were made so well.
You won goodwill, you won...
No, but this became a standard clause for all city contracts. It is continuing even today.
Unbelievable.
And
Wow. That was a futuristic roadmap planning, right?
no,
Because-
it was all, it came very naturally. It was not
Right.
pre-planned. It
Oh.
was just that they were
Huh.
not giving us, and there were 40 people sitting in that committee room,
Right, right.
and we were just three of us, and I was the speaker, and we were taking spontaneous decisions. I won't say that's the right way of working,
Huh.
but it worked at that time, and
आप कितने पत्ता दोगे luck के बारे में? The word luck.
okay.
I ask this in most of my interviews because it's such a powerful component.
Mm.
What's your take on it?
I will say that more than luck, I will say that first of all, one should stick to the principles,
Right.
and number two, keep your mind towards Almighty. And number
I love
three,
that.
let the luck follow you. Luck has to follow you. It may take little time. Sometimes luck could be lazy. Sometimes it's a very, but doesn't
Very
matter.
esoteric. I like your take on luck. Acha, how did you build then hospitality, automotive industry में कैसे आपने?
From there, I went to foundries.
Okay.
It was a very tough journey, I must say. I went to a wrong place to put up my factories. I went into wrong line. I was supplying to the automobile OEMs who had all the bad habits as a buyer, and who was monopoly. But then I decided that I will move to exports. Now, export was a challenging phase. Nothing will ever get accepted from India. It was a tough journey because of the quality.
Quality, yeah.
But
On-time delivery, quality, all of that. yeah.
but I know with that struggle, it paid us. Today we are, whatever we produce, 89% is exported out. So in terms of the foundries and etc., and we compete with the world's largest. But that's okay.
Wow.
We were not making much money.
It's a great
but-
feeling, made in India stamp there,
Yes,
huh?
yes,
That has gone
yes,
global.
Yes. And then we have also extended technology to few OEMs without any collaboration so far.
Right.
That's okay, it happened. Nothing to write home about, too much about it.
Where would you say your passion lies in all the business? I'll discuss hospitality after this, but आप देखोगे you're into real estate, infrastructure, automotive,
this
and
passion keeps varying. If you
Ah,
ask me today's passion,
okay, I like
today's
that.
passion, it has moved from my affordable housing, it has
Okay.
moved to Swachh Bharat. The beauty, the machine I am making, that my mind is clear that that machine will clean the country.
Wow.
And I want to make
Modi
that
fan?
machine-
Modi fan?
I am Modi fan,
Yes,
but
too.
I will not undermine Kejriwal also.
Yes.
He has his own, he can't match Modi, but he
But he did it.
definitely,
He
no,
did it. He came back.
no,
and-
he's not done as yet.
Well, I mean, okay.
He-
At least he got elected, re-elected.
got
I mean, Delhi was
elected.
forgiving. Delhi said, okay, let's give him another chance. I mean, credit to dena chahiye.
Delhi has taught lesson to Modi
Yeah.
for being arrogant. So
This is what, yeah,
more than
dunya bhar
anything.
yahi bolti
But I am Modi's fan, without any doubt, and I have lot of hopes on him. He will take our country to the same era where Pandit Nehru took us, and maybe more, maybe more.
Yes, I see more.
After Pandit Nehru, we didn't see much.
We didn't see much. Let's
So
aspire
you don't
higher.
know, because I remember I was a kid. You were not even
Oh,
born then.
I don't know, Amarjeet. I'm heading there. Amarjeet, we have to take a little break. Please don't
Okay.
mind. Folks, break time, but please don't go away. Back again in conversations with Mr. Amarjeet Bakshi in his spectacular Central Park 2, I guess, community. It's almost going to be like a community, Amarjeet.
Yes.
Amarjeet, where are we exactly? Because this is just mind-blowing.
This is
we can
the
walk down and-
center portion of 20-acre lawn, which is amphitheater. Here, this for dances, etc.
I mean, it's just
Yeah,
spectacular. So this is an amphitheater, sir.
Amphitheater.
Wow. So this is where you can have concerts or programs.
That's
or...
right, dances.
It's
something
just
like
so
that.
beautiful.
It's all for community.
Amarjeet, I mean, I'm going back to the beginning of your life's journey as an IIT graduate, borrowing money from a bank, your father helping you, your simple middle-class father. Look where you've reached. What does it feel? I'm standing at the amphitheater of Central Park 2. Kaise lag rahe?
It's all for customers, not for me. And
Your dream for this.
I will put it differently. I'll put it like this.
Okay.
Customer satisfaction is the dream. That is the dream.
The dream.
And in case customer is not satisfied, it's a total defeat. Total defeat. Not that you ever get a thank you from a customer because he pays money for it.
Yeah.
He pays money
Bit of
for
a thankless
it.
story in India.
No, but then all the same,
Yeah.
one knows that if you continue towards serving him from the core of your heart,
Or
somewhere down the line,
he's going to appreciate.
if not today, maybe many years later. And this is how the brands are built.
This is our brand.
When brands are built only by way of a very persistent approach towards the ultimate God, which is customer.
How many apartments are we looking at in the Central
This
Park?
is about total will be 2,000 apartments, and out of which about 400 are about EWS. EWS is economical weaker section. 15% we have to give. But there also, the thought behind every apartment which was made in EWS was that I have to live in each apartment. So if I have to live, what is required?
What is
accordingly, every fitting, everything has been put. Just to give you an
Incredible,
idea.
Amarjeet. Great going. It is just extraordinary.
Just tell you that in Central Park 1, for example, EWS which is sold for 50,000 each. Now each apartment is sold for 60 lakhs. And many Mercedes are parked on in the basement of EWS. Because we have done, it's just small, but it is not inferior.
And it worked, and it inspired, and it empowered.
Yeah,
Wow,
that's,
young people. It's spectacular. Amarjeet, it's spectacular. Amarjeet, share with us, today, what do you, as a very seasoned industrialist, and honestly an industrialist who's done it the right way, the traditional way, through hard work, grit, determination and drive, but ethics and morality. Today my viewership is young. They may be professionals, they may be management trainees or management personnel, or they may be wanting to become an entrepreneur. What is that X factor that you consider to be important?
Okay, first of all, I talk about success. You know, for making bread, you require dough. Without the dough, you cannot make.
That's the basic, exactly.
Basic. Likewise, for success, you cannot be successful without focus. Focus is the key word.
The key word, yeah.
And then second is, if you want to make an empire. If you want to make an empire, then the key word is trust.
Oh, or trust kiske
Only
saath?
people trust of bankers in you, trust of your employees in you, trust of your employer partners in you, trust of your government in you.
Transparency.
Because government is also your 30% partner
Correct.
on everything.
So transparency is a must.
Transparency is one thing, deep down internal desire that at no point of time somebody should lose trust in me.
Beautiful.
And
Goes deeper.
you know how trust, the first step towards trust is punctuality.
Well, I
First.
faced that with you. I was flawed.
No.
How beautiful. So that's very important to give the youngsters of advice today, and most
No.
people.
Yeah.
We tend to we'd say traffic and this and that and got held up. Beautifully stated.
And when you talk of principles,
Yeah.
it all revolves all around trust. You know, institution companies like Larsen Toubro, everybody trusts them. Therefore, it is. Even Tata to a large extent, or
solid
Infosys,
blue
or
chip companies.
basically
Solid, yes.
only for this reason that they have earned trust. Then third,
Nobody said that, Amarjeet. I have done 200-300 interviews of similar gentlemen of your category and women. Nobody's used the word trust. I appreciate that.
third important thing I will say is that one is accumulation of wealth, second is creation of wealth.
Beautiful.
Creation of wealth is the real intoxication, not accumulation. In India, people are, because we have come from very poor background, their accumulation of wealth is the emphasis. No.
Big time. It doesn't matter how.
because when I was working for a company initially, my passion was to create wealth for the company. That was, so I used to get my salary on time, and that was good and enough. And I know the psyche of a clever person, that if he's satisfied in his job, then he gets a lot of high in creating the wealth
It's a
rather
higher
than
high.
accumulating. Yeah. So many people feel that by increasing the salaries or just like this, best people work for you only if they trust you. Secondly, they get empowered to create wealth. And third is the atmosphere around of dignity and respect, which comes only if the ethos of the corporate are right. Otherwise, no. And if good people are not with you, can't build an empire.
You cannot build it. No creation or accumulation. Thank you, Amarjeet.
Thank you.
It's been
Thank
such
you.
a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
For me, a huge learning curve. And I am just so happy and in awe to see all you're achieving, and I wish you all the best in
Thank
future.
you.
Thank
Very
you.
much.
Thank you
Much
so much.
appreciated.
For you folks out there, we hope you've really enjoyed this episode. It's a gentleman full of honesty, integrity, modesty, and humbleness. He's built, along with his brother, a global empire that we can only dream about and fantasize, but he did it. I hope you were, as I was, highly motivated. Agle hafte fir mulaqat karenge with another such interesting personality. Until then, main hu Niva Jain. God bless.